Hello, fellow beer enthusiasts and those easily led astray. My name is Melanie, and I am welcoming you to my first beer review done as video. Very exciting, and also, I'll have you know there have been a lot of takes. This is not easy to do by yourself. Anyway, I digress. I am enjoying a lovely beer tonight that I actually hoard. I don't share it with people, mostly because most of the people I know don't really care for beer. Shocker, right? I don't understand it. They just haven't tried enough beers. But this is certainly not the beer to start with. If you have a pretty good beer palate, I would recommend trying it. If you like smoked foods, I recommend trying it. This beer, although dark, is not bitter like a lot of people think. Dark does not equate to bitter at all. This is actually a really full flavored beer. It's probably going to make you feel really full. Which is funny because it's served in this huge glass, bottle. So if you drink it all, you're gonna be pretty full. But so it's like a meal. But that's okay. Anyhow, you could use this as like a replacement for a meal. It could be called the bacon in a glass, or the ribs in a glass, or even smoked Gouda. It'd make an incredible beer cheese soup, I can tell you that. So if you like smoked things, please do try it. It is made by Penobscot Bay Brewery. They are in Winterport, Maine. They have 7 brews total, and the only thing I have a problem with this beer, it's hard to find, and I don't know why that is. So I'm going to do some digging and find out if it's just they don't make a lot, or distribution issues. I don't really know. If you can find some, props to you. The places where I found it are, drumroll please, the Lighthouse in Manchester, Maine, and also at Damon's, which was formerly known as Lou's Beverage Barn. So they're about, I think $6 a bottle is what I paid. It's a pretty big size bottle though. I believe it's 22 ounces, excuse me. So, that goes a long way. So cheers, I hope you enjoy it. Drink up. Let me know if you have any questions.